I did not tell this fucking door to open. I'm speed running this motherfucker. I'm speed running it. Fuck him. Someone's behind me. Oh my God! That's CJU right there on the right. And then there's some guy right there. Missing. Guys, I'm not missing. I'm right here. I'm still searching for Soul. Has anyone seen him? I swear I can hear his voice. It's like he's still here. Am I wearing the same shirt?
Eat up. Come back to life. Come back to life.
Are these the right apples? These aren't poisonous, right?
No, I don't think they are.
Ah! Ah!
No, maybe it was just that one that was poisonous. I can't feed it to you anymore. Oh, there we go. And he's actually okay. Kanaxa. You will be forgotten. You will be forgotten.